Is it real when I look out the window? Is it real when I turn the light on and I see the loving of so many people all around me? Or I'm still dreaming and I cannot open up my eyes. Is it real when I see you here beside me? Is it real when you put your arms around me? Can you really tell a difference between life and thinking? Or is every moment a feeling that somebody else feels? What is real?
What is real?
What is real?
What is real?
Look in the air, see the world that moves me. Look in my eyes, hear the life that grooves me. Take a deep breath, feel the sky above me. Tell me you love me. Tell me you love me. Whatever comes and whatever we see, life is going on, no matter what it may be. The only truth that we can cope with is love and fate and our hope with.
What is real?
What is real?
What is real?
Look in the air, see the world that moves me. Look in my eyes, hear the life that grooves me. Take a deep breath, feel the sky above me. Tell me you love me. Tell me you love me. Take a deep breath, feel the sky above me. Tell me you love me. Tell me